Everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing excellent. So today, yes, I'm in park, and why I'm here? To be honest, why I'm here because I want to, remove my hesitation and fear. So that's why I'm here. And there is number of people next to me, but I'm making video, but little I have fear. And what about you guys? You this is the and you have here, so you have to watch my video till the end because in this video I'm gonna teach you how to improve our spoken English and how to overcome our fear. And this is the mini blog. And why I'm here? Because you know it's beautiful park, so that's why I'm here. See, there is number of people and number of girls also. And yes, and but you know, yes, I'm talking about how to improve our spoken English and how to overcome our fear. You really want to overcome your fear, so you have to practice yourself. Like now, I'm practice myself because I don't have any partner. You know now very well. Where I'm stay. Yes, I'm staying Chhattisgarh and in Raigad city, no anyone talk to English. Yes, many times I told number of people, even my clients. So that times I told, ma'am, you want to speak me, you want to speak English. So that time she told, you know what she told? She told like Lavanya, when I will, when I will speak front of people. So that times I don't know why I'm feeling hesitation and nervousness. So you have to speak in Hindi. So that time I was thinking, I'm Hindi medium student, but I love to speak in English. Yeah. And what about nowadays? What happened, guys? Every day I speak English. Every day and every day I record session. And nowadays I love to record session. And what happened? Sometimes I attempt many times, and but you are not subscribed my channel, so you have to subscribe. Yes, why I'm behaving like children? Yes, I love to talk myself. Yes, so how to improve our spoken English? Everyone told I want to improve my spoken English, but they don't know how to improve spoken English. Yeah. So how to improve our spoken English? You have to read book, whatever you want to, related to stories and related to any kind of book. So you have to read. And what about writing? Why I'm writing? Sometimes I write later. The reason is because when you will write later, so that times what happen when you will write, so that times sometimes we struggling related to spelling. And when you will write every day, so that times you recall all the words. And when you will speak and when you will write any kind of letter, so you you know see changes, because we again and again write a letter and write any kind of story. So that times what happened, like we easily, you know like we have number of words and we easily write any kind of letter. So that's why I'm telling you guys, you have to read and you have to write. And when it's come to the speaking, so you have to speak front of camera, front of people. And many times I told, like there is number of people, there is number of excuses also, like I don't have any partner, what I will do and how can I speak, these kind of question, you know these kind of question. And they are making many, many more excuses. And what about me? Literally, guys, I don't have any partner. And why I'm here, I told many times, like I want to remove my hesitation, I want to work on my fear, and I want to, you know, stay my discomfort zone. When you will stay your discomfort zone, so that times what happen, we have lot of fear and we don't want to stay our fear. Why? Because when we will stay our discomfort zone, so that times we feeling like a hell. You mean to say like we feeling like a hell. Why we are feeling like a hell? The reason is we that times we are not feeling very good, and when it's come to the our comfort zone, so that times we feel very happy. Yeah, that times we feel like now I'm in heaven and I'm feeling very happy. I don't have any complaint and I want to stick my heaven. Why we feel this kind of? Because everyone want to stick this comfort zone. They don't want to stick this comfort zone because वहां तो एक भी मजा नहीं है, क्योंकि हमको तो रील्स चलाने में बड़ा मजा आता है, फोटो क्लिक करने में बड़ा मजा आता है, एंड पढ़ाई करने में हमको बड़ा तकलीफ होता है। वाई? क्योंकि उसमें हमको मजा ही नहीं आता है। दैट टाइम्स वी फील लाइक मैं क्या ही कर रहा हूँ, मेरे को नहीं करना। दैट टाइम्स वी आवर माइंड लाइक मंकी जंपिंग, एक जगह से दूसरे जगह से तीसरे जगह से। मेरे साथ भी ऐसा होता था स्टार्टिंग में, क्योंकि मैं तो रही हिंदी मीडियम स्टूडेंट और मुझे क्या था, इंग्लिश सीखना था। एंड क्या होता था कि सच में मेरे को, आपको सच में इंग्लिश सीखना है तो उसके लिए आपको टाइम लगेगा, एटलीस्ट 6 to 9 मंथ, एटलीस्ट 6 to 9 मंथ लगेगा आपको। अगर अच्छा इंग्लिश सीखना है तो काफी टाइम लगेगा, क्योंकि बहुत टाइम लगता है भाई। एक वर्ड के 17 मीनिंग निकलते हैं। मेरे थोड़े गले में खराश है, so that's why I'm suffering little cough and fever, so that's why this kind of voice, and don't mind this because sometimes this happen because I'm a human, no? So that's why. And yes, so how to improve? Many times I told like you have to record, you have to speak, and you have to think in English. Many times, like right now I'm in garden. Right now I'm in garden, and I'm making video. Why I'm making video? Because I want to make video. I love to make video and I upload my video. I don't want to upload my video, but I love to make video. These kind of, you think in English. And what about like sometimes what happened, we visited different kind of places, so that time you describe picture. Like yesterday I visited wonderful what garden. And why I visited? Because I love to visit. And when I visit these kind of gardens, so I love to click a picture because this is my hobby and I love to enjoy my hobby, and I have number of hobby. I love to sing, I love to cook. So these kind of, you have to pick any kind of topic and then you speak. So that's called thinking English, and one day your changes. Because when you will speak in English, so that times then you will speak in English. So there is number of people, like now there is number of people and they are laughing and like, Lavanya, what kind of girls is making video? Listen, why I'm making video? Because I want to improve my spoken English and I want to overcome my fear. So that's why. And if you really want to overcome a fear, if you really want to improve your spoken English, so you have to speak. Yeah, you have to record, whether is it right, whether is it wrong. Don't think others, isn't it? Yeah, so how's my video? If you like my videos, so please like, share and subscribe. So ठोक के लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए एंड शेयर करिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थोड़ा सा मैं वो करते रहती हूँ, मुझे मजा आता है ऐसे करने में, क्योंकि अपने आप में एंजॉय करना कोई मामूली बात है क्या? सब लोग दूसरे के साथ रहते हैं, मेरे को तो अकेले में मजा आता है। चलो यार, बाय बाय, टेक केयर।